Hello students, welcome to one more episode of Mr. Sanchis does pull-ups, a vertically recorded show. Today we're gonna learn how to do some pulling at home. The first thing that you need is a table, safety measure. You need to make sure that there's nothing that you can break or that can land on your face. So everything is clean now. This is a very heavy table, so I don't really have to worry about what's on the other side of the table. You might remember Australian pull-ups from the workouts that we did in class. If you didn't do it or don't remember, don't worry, because I'm gonna explain you real quick how to do it and how to do it at home. You're gonna lean underneath the table, grab, make sure there's a good grip so you don't slip. This happens to be a fairly good grip. Then plank, and all you have to do then is just lift yourself up and down in a controlled motion. When you do an Australian pull-up properly, your feet will be going back and forth, and that's mirroring what happens with your feet when you're doing a pull-up, that go up and down. This is how it looks like. You plank, you tighten your legs, you tighten your core, get ready for your pull-up. You slide, back and forth. Common mistakes when doing Australian pull-ups at home. You're not planking, your core is fluffy. You can break the plank both on the way up, you go like this, and then you're not fully pulling, or you can go up properly, but then on the way down, you break the plank from your hip. And mistake number 2 is not going the full range of motion. So you're not getting the full benefit of the exercise. You can even modify that exercise, and instead of going feet first, you go head first, flip your grip, and you end up doing chin-ups. And this is how it looks. The grip is the opposite one. Okay, now I'm gonna show you how to do negative Australian pull-ups, which is the same movement, but only the stage that takes you back, that takes you down. Help your chest go up to the table with your legs, which is something that everybody can do, can afford. Then plank, and this is important, in a controlled and slow way. Up again, chest to the table, plank, controlled way, slide those feet, keep the plank all the way to the bottom. What you don't want to do, let yourself go too hard. That's not gonna work out properly, and on top of that, that's dangerous. Now that being said, one safety issue you need to keep in mind is to place a pillow if you feel this might be an issue. So, if anything happens, you slip your hands off the table, or you cannot hold your weight all the way down, then if you're gonna fall, at least your head will fall on the pillow. Just make sure that the pillow is not super thick, because that might compromise the range of motion of your exercise. One student asked, but Mr. Sanchis, what if my table is too tall? That's not a problem. Actually, that's gonna make the exercise a little bit easier, and your table is higher. You're gonna be leaning like this. That means that there's more weight towards your legs and less weight towards your arms, and because our legs are naturally stronger, the exercise is easier. The problem will be if the table is too short, because you don't have enough range of motion to perform the pulling. Please make sure to check with an adult to make sure that the table that you're gonna be using is safe to do so. Okay, if you have questions or suggestions, let me know in the comments or through my email. Bye.